In the pits, the bike is ready and the rider is about to take to the track.